Today's house is an invitation to leave the chaotic world behind. It welcomes you to step through the door and enter a universe of sensory experiences, revealed gradually as you move through its spaces. Umbral House is laid out over 2 levels on a lot that's 7.5 meters wide and 41.5 meters long. From the very first threshold, the house takes you by the hand and gently invites you to disconnect. The overall form is straightforward but striking. The first courtyard welcomes you with the soft sound of water, making you feel like you've arrived at a peaceful oasis. Just like in old fortresses, you cross a reflecting pool that leads you inward, offering a sense of security and calm. Then, a transparent door makes it clear this is where the pace shifts. Your home. Inside, textured walls and ceilings make the spaces feel natural and alive. As the light shifts throughout the day, shadows and reflections give everything a sense of depth and movement, enhanced by architectural elements like pillars, pergolas, and exposed beams. The house is organized into 2 main volumes. Toward the front are the social areas, living, dining, and kitchen, along with service spaces. Toward the back are the bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and closet. A contemporary portico connects these 2 blocks, guiding the circulation and organizing everything in a clear and simple way. The bedrooms and service spaces have lower ceilings, bringing warmth and functionality. In the social areas, double-height ceilings create a feeling of openness and freedom, allowing life to unfold with ease and scale. At the entrance and along the inner façade, concrete panels with visible formwork were used, conceptually marking a boundary between inside and out, a home protected by solid walls, guarding the peaceful world within. Umbral House is a grounded, contemporary home. It's deeply connected to the Yucatan context and embraces the simple things that matter most: natural light and outdoor living, both essential parts of everyday life here.